Hi, Blitzer here. Today we are going to take a look at United States M3 service gas mask replica. In this video, we'll talk about the process and the materials used to make this replica gas mask. So first off, my motive to make this replica gas mask was when I looked through United States World War II gas masks. And eventually, after researching and looking through different variants and models, I decided to make the M3 service mask possible. Then I had to choose the mask design, which was made by the two main rubber companies at the time, Goodyear and Firestone. The Firestone company had sharper and more pronounced edges in the frontal area and around the air deflectors, so I went with the Firestone design. Afterward, I started to make the whole mask from the frontal area and eyepieces and then onto the main facepiece part. Then after making all the parts possible, I decided to make the inlet valve a 25mm mill threading that will take different adapters to make the mask have different filter threading, just like my M.1943 A replica I made, and I have a video of it on my YouTube channel. You can directly attach 40mm filters and 40mm hose onto the mask. There are two direct 40mm adapters. One is inspired by the M8 snout type surface mask and it has an angled 40mm filter threading, and the other one is inspired by the M.1943 A Danish model. Now we take a closer look at the details of the mask. The facepiece itself is made out of tyre tube rubber. The M8 outlet valve is made out of both plastic and hardened cardboard materials. The eyepieces are made out of polymer glass sheets and the eyepiece holders are made out of oil can. The tab assemblies are held in place like the original design. The 6-point head harness is an M7 design with the headpad being made out of fake leather and elasticated fabric straps. The end of the straps is covered by the clench tips like the original. And this is how the mask looks like on the inside. With that being said, I will showcase how the mask looks like when being used with all three adapters.
So this is how the mask looks like when using M8 snout type gas adapter for the filter threading. And if I check the pressure, it works well. Now on to the next adapter. So this is how the mask looks like when using direct filter attachment without the angle version of it, not the M8 and M1943 A type of thing. And if I check the pressure, it works well. Now on to the next adapter. So this is how the mask looks like when you're using a 40mm hose attachment. And if I check the pressure on the mask, it works well. I didn't make a carrier not just for this mask, but also for the M23A1 I have, but I will make one in the future.
So that was all the showcasing of the three adapters that you can use on this particular replica gas mask. Despite the fact that the process of making this gas mask was a really challenging one, it was a really fun and enjoyable process, especially having three ways that you can attach filters onto this replica gas mask. Now that I actually look back at the United States attempts to enhance their existing face pieces, in my next gas mask replica project, I will make a M5 assault gas mask and I will showcase it on my YouTube channel. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. If you have any comments, thoughts, or ideas, you can write them down in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.